yelled at the shepherd. This is gonna take some thought. Oh, out fox again. Long ago, a wolf and a fox were sunning themselves on a grassy bank overlooking a field of grazing sheep. As they waited for a chance to sneak past the shepherd, they amused themselves with stories of their past, especially the fox, who always seemed to outwolf his companion. Quick! Get down! Hey, wait a minute, that's not fair! This is gonna take some thought. Now then, listen here. I remember the time that youth was stuck in the chimney, chasing after a harmless pig. Oh, listen, you'd eaten his two brothers already, and still you was hungry. I'll get you one day, you see. Will you listen? That mother goat slices you down the middle. And use that dozy. You didn't even wake up. Listen, you may think I always end up in the soup, but here's a tale of when I don't. Fire away. I'm all ears. And the wolf started his story about a red hen. What's so great about that? I ate the chicken, QED. Tell everybody you've caught me at last. Quack, 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 quack. I got the head. Oh, out fox again. Well, I'll tell you now. I can do better than that. The fox went on to tell the story of the little old woman who one day decided to make a special treat, a gingerbread man. When she went to the oven to check if he was cooked, run fast as you can. You won't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man leaped out and set off down the lane, where a cow wanted to gobble him up. Run fast as you can. You won't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Further on, a horse thought he looked very good to eat, but the little gingerbread man was having none of it. Run fast as you can. You won't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And off he ran until what? Interjected the wolf. Until he ran into me, said the fox. He needed me to help him across the river, so I set him on my tail. But I told him he was too heavy, so he sat on me back. But I told him he was too heavy for me back, and he sat on me nose. And then I tossed him in the air, and that was the end of the gingerbread man. Oh, out fox again. You should be done for homicide. At least I only ate a chicken. Which reminds me, isn't it time we thought about eating one of those sheep? if you let me tell you a final tale. Well, make it short, 'cause I'm starving. Well, there was this wolf, and in order to catch a sheep, he dressed himself in an old sheepskin, so that even the shepherd didn't notice him from the flock. 1, 2. Oh, yes, a fox would never be that brainy. So, when night came, the wolf was penned in with the sheep. That's what I call strategy. Finally, the shepherd himself is hungry and thinks he'd like a lamb chop for supper. Oh, yum, yum. Who could blame him for that? So he picks himself out a sheep. Unfortunately, the disguise of the wolf was so good, he picked him. And that was the end of the wolf. Suddenly, I don't feel so hungry. Oh! I've been diddled. You'll be hearing from my signature. Why, don't you come back to my place? I'll fix you a curry. Have you got papadum and pickles and some chapatis? Oh, and onion bhaji. A very good Indian restaurant in Dublin.